Hi, I'm Purva Kulkarni, currently studying in class 12th at Grand Science Academy Nipani. So I have been preparing for NEET exam with Grand Science Academy since 2 years. So I have completed my schooling in class 10 from KD CBC School Nipani. In this video, I'm going to share about my so far experience with Grand Science Academy with my preparation for NEET exam. So starting with academics at Grand Science Academy, the curriculum here is very well structured. It covers everything needed for the board exam as well as the competitive exams. The study material here are very comprehensive. It includes both for the preparation for the competitive exams and the board exams. So it consists of various range of difficult questions which help us to cope up with the competitive exam as well as the board exam. One thing I especially like about the study materials is that the concepts are built one upon the other, which even helps us to grasp the difficult concepts. So another thing that I appreciate about the Grand Science Academy is that the weekly test, these weekly tests had played a very key role in my preparation for the competitive exams. So it holds the same level of the difficult questions which we get in the competitive exams and the exam pressure to overcome the fear of the exam. So this has played a very key role in my preparation by helping me to hold up the exam pressure and overcome the fear of the exam and easily score good in my upcoming exams. So after every test, the teachers are always ready to clear all our doubts, even though they are very basic ones. During the doubt clearing session, they not only cover the particular concept or the particular beat which we have doubt in, they also cover all the surrounding concepts on which the important questions can be asked. So as we all do know that during the preparation, we all get the concepts, but when application of the questions are asked during the exam, we usually sometimes lag behind. In Grand Science Academy, the teachers here teach the particular concept basis upon the questions which can be framed in the competitive exams, which help us to score better, analyze and score better. So after every weekly test, I used to analyze my paper with my teachers. They're always ready to clear all the doubts. They analyze the paper, assess my weak points, find out my weak points so that I could improve in my next upcoming exam. The teaching methodology here is very effective. The teachers break the complex concepts into the simple one, easier to understand one. Grand Science Academy plays emphasis on conceptual understanding rather than just make us to mug up the formulas. So I feel that this is the best way to prepare for any of the competitive exams which you are aiming for. So the teachers are always there to support us, clear all our queries, clear all our doubts, even though they are very basic ones. They are always ready to motivate us whenever we feel down. Apart from this, the faculty here, the management faculty, keep us updated about all the tentative schedules, the exam dates, all the timetables which we need for during the exam preparation or the competitive exam preparation. So whatever we have queries, they are always ready to solve us. They are always there with us during all our 2 years of journey with the preparation of any of the exams which I may for. So since I joined this academy, I have seen a lot of improvement in my scoring. Initially, I used to struggle with certain topics, but when I discussed it with the teachers and they helped me to clear all my doubts with a thorough revision, one-to-one interaction, personal attention,